Alright guys, good day sa inyo mga boss dira. We are so blessed subong. Kaya malan nyo, sino-sino maghuna-huna, nga ari lang kita diri sa Iloilo City. Pero ang lugar kung sa diin kita subong is ara sa Baybay. We are here right now at 8 Villa Beach House and we are so blessed and thankful. Kayo po gid naton subong, no? The man, the myth, the legend. Hindi lang. Ang isa sa mga low-key lang pero pinakasikat niya chef slash organizer sa mga pagkaon, food consultant. We have Sir Ian. Sir, thank you for having us.
Good afternoon. Thank you, sir.
Sir Ian, here we have now, we are here right now sa 8 Villa Beach. Siguro, many are wondering, a little bit of history lang siguro, sir, sa 8 Villa Beach. How did it start and when did it start?
Well, actually, our place is called 8 Villa Beach House. Actually, kasi hindi ko siya ma-register as Villa Beach.
Okay.
The name of the place is really Villa Beach.
Okay.
So everybody in Iloilo knows what Villa Beach is. You know? Villa Beach actually was founded by my grandfather, Fidencio Marona.
Wow.
He was the first one to put up a restaurant there along the coastline.
Oh.
But over the years, nag-stop na lang ang name ng Villa Beach. Actually, before sa earnings, status, breakthrough, Villa Beach was the place of the restaurant of my grandfather.
So you're talking about hindi lang gali pila ka years but years way back magidya ang Villa Beach gali. Grabe nga history no sang Iloilo. And then Sir Ian, so therefore after sina ikaw ang nagpamana, ikaw ang nagpadayon sini nga legacy sa imong lolo.
Well, actually, it's a long story. I left 20 years ago to work in hospitality. No? So when I came back in 2015, I actually had experience working in steakhouses. So I thought of doing something like Western food sa beach. But and then I encountered ang mga dumaan yung staff ni Lolo, 80 years old, 90 years old. And then I got so curious because I was 2 years old when my grandfather died. So I remember the love, but I don't remember his face. So I can connect with him through the food.
Wow.
So when I found out ang mga tinao ni Lolo, I asked them to make, why don't you try to cook how Lolo used to cook before? Back in the day, wala pa refrigeration, wala pa magic syrup, nothing. And then this is the sort of the food that they cook, no? Very simple, few select ingredients, everything locally sourced. So I said, kailangan ko pa mag-invent ng mga cuisine.
Yes.
This is a heritage of our family, might as well i-revive the naman.
So there you have it, Sir/Chef Ian. Ikaw ni tanan ang nag-revive sa sinigang mga food din sa aton. So hindi na pagpadugayon siguro, Sir Ian. First, we would have and we'll present to you kung ano diri ang mga pagkaon na pwede ninyo ma-avail diri lang sa 8 Villa Beach. And siyempre mauna kita na sa Rionan. Amo ni siya.
Yes. This is our what we call our aligi rice.
Aligi rice.
It's anato garlic rice.
Okay.
Scrambled eggs, and then our signature topping is called chali baba. Amo ni siyang chali baba.
Chali baba, okay.
Some sliced tomatoes, scallions, and crispy fried garlic.
So diri pa lang, rice pa lang, wala na, ulam na do. Hindi ka na makakita pa sa iban. So grabe sir, how you conceptualize this, kung paano gi-present nga, hindi ka man may gamay man siya na veggies and all the presentation. Siya ang gintunan mo gini kung paano na siya.
Well, actually, the food here is how you would call Ilonggo coastal food, but with Spanish influence. Because my grandfather, he was half Spanish.
Okay.
So when he was young, he stowed away to the US on board a cargo ship, wala pa aeroplano. And then he worked in cruise ships, and from what he learned, he went back to Iloilo. He was in charge of the markets, and then his father was also a fisherman, had fish pens. So from what he knew, from his experience overseas and his Spanish heritage, he applied it to Ilonggo ingredients. So it's, in essence, it's what you call Hispanic Ilonggo coastal cuisine.
No, wow, Hispanic Ilonggo coastal cuisine. Grabe, pwede na si Sir Ian makaubra sa iyang cookbook ang ganong presentation. Anyway, next. This one. Yeah, this is heritage recipe from my grandfather. That is kinilaw na pasayan. Kinilaw na pasayan.
Yes. So of course everybody's familiar with kinilaw. But what's different is actually yung tanan tani nga food simple lang gid, no? We don't use preservatives,
Wow.
wala magic syrup, wala MSG. And everything you eat here on this table is sourced less than 80 kilometers from where we are. So more than 95%
Grabe,
of the
no?
food dili lang din halin sa aton.
So,
The hero of our dish and most of Ilonggo cooking is of course the sinamak. We're very proud to say that we ferment our own sinamak. So that is organically fermented, traditionally harvested coconut sap vinegar with galangal or langkawas, putikot,
Langkawas.
and garlic.
wow. Namit. Tama rin sa yung butang nyo
Yes.
Namit.
And actually, this sinamak, particular sinamak, is also sourced locally, no?
Yes.
We ferment it in the same vats as what my grandfather used before.
Wow.
So
Grabe.
very, very old vats, or more than 100-year-old na vats.
Why ko, sir, to be honest, sir, why ko kakaon sa kinilaw. Pero namita ko nyo. Namit ako. Guys, yun yung mga sa kinilaw. Wow! Amazing! Next naman, next. Siguro, this one.
Yes, this is spicy garlic shrimps. So this is stir-fried Vaname shrimps harvested locally.
Locally
Sea
man.
farm. So ang food na
Grabe, no?
is either wild caught or sea farm.
Wow!
So
Grabe,
this
no?
is sea farm Vaname shrimps. So simple lang na stir-fry with our secret sauce. Yeah.
Anyway, for those of you nga wala nakahibalo, no, diri sa may Iloilo City, damo gid man niya sa mga restaurant. Pero subong, nakita ninyo, more than just sa pagkaon diri, the history, ang authenticity, ang mo ginadi ang nakita ko, kag nakita naton subong as we features ang 8 Villa Beach. So, ini-source pa sa mga local naton diri nga mga farms, no, sa sea farm. So, grabe gid, why lang kita nagkakaon gali, nakabulig pa kita sa madamo. Pero ari ang ginahulat ko gid. This one.
Yes.
Sir Ayan, could you tell us?
This is our seafood paella negra. Again, this is a nod to my grandfather's Spanish heritage.
Yes.
So this is paella negra.
Wow.
And with the shrimps,
Wow.
scallops, and what you have there is alige aioli. So again, very healthy siya.
So dili na ito makita nga wala gid sang waste, no, pating aligi, pwede siya gali butang diri nga ingredients. Pero ang nami gini Sir Ayan kay color black siya mo nga paella negra dito wag.
Yes.
Pero ari sadya kay namit ni sana tilawan ko na ni siya before. Pero higla, sagid. Sagid. So there you have it. If you wanna get something unique, pero hindi man tanto ka unique, kag sa baga amo na namin sa Hispanic na siya nga Ilonggo nga ano pa sa nga coastal na cuisine kanto na kamo dire sa 8 Villa Beach House. Kag ari naman sir.
Actually, this is some people because we're getting a lot of business right now, and then thankfully, and then people are wondering what do we order when we go to 8 Villa Beach.
Yeah.
So we actually did the seafood bilao platter.
This
So
one.
this is a surf and turf platter
Yes.
to eliminate the guesswork para hindi ka naman
Tama.
pakatakot, no?
Tama.
So this is our promotion right now. So 2,188.
Wow.
So you have our Sea Farm signature Sea Farm boneless
Bonus
bangus.
bangus, yes.
It's also a secret family recipe. Boneless chicken inasal, dry aged grilled pork liempo,
Yes.
grilled scallop skewers from Carles, ang grilled wild caught bear prawns or
Correct.
bulik. Yes.
Oh, wild
And
is
then-
sir?
Yes, wild caught na siya. And then this is our vegetarian option. That's a mushroom isaw.
Mushroom isaw.
Yes. So,
Wala ko ka-notice mo pala nakita.
yes, it looks like isaw, but it's
Oo,
actually mushroom.
Hala. At least, no? Sa inyo nga mga vegetarian,
Health conscious.
health conscious. First time. First ever.
Yes.
Mushroom isaw. Diri sa Bilao, kanday sang 8 Villa Beach House. Kanami, gid kag nakita niyo.
You try it with
Grabe. How did you come up with this, sir, sang
well,
mushroom?
it's a funny story. Of course, nakita ko man sa lawas ko, nahilig ko magkaon, right? So, obviously, na-diagnose ko at one point with high blood pressure.
Okay.
So, I was trying to go vegan.
Namit
So,
siya.
no meat. No? So, But I went crazy. Siyempre, may ko sa sabor. So, I started to innovate. My friend grows these beautiful fresh farmed mushrooms. And then, marinate ko siya sa chicken and asal. And then, sa ginto ko siya, it look like isaw. So,
As in,
and then the rest is...
Duga kaon ka lang ganyan sa isaw, pero mushroom sa to, damit. First time, umayami ako sa mga first na ang kari. Pag
These are wild-caught bear prawns.
wild caught naman siya.
Wild-caught, oo. Ano gina siya, hindi siya farmed. Gisa kita mong lukon.
Yes.
Mga black tiger prawn. These are brown bear prawns.
Gani.
Brown na siya ang color.
Kag namit ki man ang ilang kasi hamak.
Lain na yung ano. Yes.
May lain man siya nga sabor.
Right.
Wow. Kanami gid. Next. Are,
Yes, that is our, these are oysters. Grilled baked oysters from Aklan.
grilled baked oysters.
So, gin-bake siya, pero gin-bake
Gin-grill
siya
pa
over
gid siya?
a grill. Gin-bake siya over a grill. So, may smoky...
Plain siya.
flavor
Next time, diba, usually ang bake na sir, gin-bake gid ya. Tapos
Yes,
kina-serve
yes,
nila.
yes. Oo.
Yung gin-bake na, tapos gin-grill pa gid.
Oo.
Wow. Are sa dyan eh. So Sir Ayan, paano gid ya nag-start ang love mo into cooking and into food?
Well, again, my grandfather was into cooking, so we grew up in a restaurant environment. Actually, where you are right now, it used to be where Fishda is. Fishda, the restaurant back in the 90s. So we had a restaurant bar here also.
Okay.
We did the beach concert, we had Tropical Depression here. But then I left mga 93. I left to study in Manila. And then I worked in hospitality, and then balik ko dito to 15.
Ay, grabe. So guys, sa inyo da, base gani ka mo para sa ako no, dugay na sa Lilo, wala ta kabalo sa among gilang history. Kang 8 Villa Beach, sila ginigali lang sugod sa Villa Beach na concept, kag sang restaurant diri, grabe. And then this one, sir.
These are Oriental Angel Wing Clams, or what we call with Diwal.
Diwal.
So this one is from Negros, no? But still fresh. So I think we're the only one of the few nga nag-depurate sa Diwal. Depuration is a process whereby you let the shellfish, the bivalves, expunge ang tanan niya nga unod. And then you remove the dirt by filtration. So, like ang iba nga diwal kung magkaon kami mga balas,
Yes.
clean.
Ay, oo. Notice ko na nakakaawin mo ko Diwal. Inigin man siya, matinlogin man siya. Okay. So ano ganito to sir ang process?
Depuration.
Wow.
Depurated angel wing clams.
Grabe.
Then sinamak.
Grabe. Ang sinamakid, ang may-ari ginilis
Everything with sinamak.
So anyway, Sir Ayan, kung first time sila, pag wala pa sila di kaagi sa 8 Villa Beach, ano gid ang ma-recommend mo nga orderon nila?
They should try the seafood bilao.
Yes, seafood
The
bilao.
seafood bilao. It has a little bit of everything. Kung allergic ka sa shellfish, may man bangus.
Yes.
But it's for groups. No?
Yes.
Our best seller here is the bangus.
Ooh.
That is the simplest dish.
So dapat ilawan ta ni bangus.
Yeah, you try mo ang belly sa bangus. And then ang naga-boneless na sa bangus na mo, third generation na siya nga naga-boneless. And kung makita mo na yun ang technique kompleto
Tawag.
ng pag-debone niya sa bangus.
Grabe gid man niya iya nga pag ano na tayo bilang boneless no. Nan. So
So
third
sea
gen
farm siya, that's why tambok.
Kalbos ka dagko sang ila nga bang ros.
Yes.
So sa inyo nga hilig sa bangros para sa akon ay abaw
Ang
sadyan.
chan yun ang favorite.
Saan gido? Nan. So here, saan ninyo? Amo ni usually nga in-order gid ko sa kadaman.
Kaya dumol-damol lang yung tambok.
Kani, damol gid oh. Nan. Sinsya gid sa mga ginabakal sa mga tinda. Medyo manipis gid man siya. Amo na gani iban nga di mo na pag iba-boneless kaya di pag boneless mo wala na bilin. No MSG,
No MSG, no preservatives.
no preservatives.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then wala namang gina-freeze among the food, so it's really fresh every
Wow.
day.
Wow, fresh.
And then ma-taste mo yung difference, right?
Namit.
Then abang gusto mo hindi dry. Juicy na siya.
Tama.
Oo.
Te. So ano pa ninyo nga ginaulat, if you are just here or if you are planning to go here at Iloilo City, please drop by 8 Villa Beach House. Kag, you could also message them sa ilang Facebook page. And Sir Ryan, could you invite ang ating mga viewers to come?
We'd like to invite everybody to please visit us here at 8 Villa Beach House at Barangay Santo Niño Sur. Ang landmark here is between Breakthrough and Mill Garden. So thank you so much and hope to see you here.
So there you have it. If you're a business and you want to be featured next, comment down below. Kag again, kung subong nga summer, nag-crave ikaw sang seafoods nga legit, authentic, kanto na kamo diri sa 8 Villa Beach House. Sir Ian is here. The staff are really good. Mak-accommodate sila sa inyo. You could come in here nga ikaw lang isa, or you could come here as a group. And see you everybody on our next vlog. God bless everyone.
Thank you.